How to edit profile picture on Facebook Messenger. Firstly, you have to install the Facebook Messenger app from your Play Store in your Android. Now you have to open that Facebook Messenger app in your phone. By clicking on it, this type of screen will appear here and you can see this is the basic or front desk of your Facebook Messenger. Now clicking on the three lines which appear at the left top corner, click on this gear option, click on this and you have to scroll this bar and click on the accounts center here. You can see here there is an option of profile. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Click on it and you can see profile picture. Click on the profile picture. Now your gallery of your Android will appear here. You have to select any of the photo which you want to make it as your profile picture. Edit it like this. Done. Click on save, and when you have to click on save here, this new profile picture will be saved in your account like this. This is for both Android as well for iPhone. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.